pretty bitches, your beach hair is ready to work. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. It's 34 degrees right now. Cat not allowed again, well noted. I woke up early today, like around 6 a.m. instead of 7 a.m. So guess what I did? I went for a swimming for like 20 minutes. It was not bad at all. I'm thinking to do it again tomorrow. Inshallah, we'll see. So right now it is only 8:30 in the morning. I still have 30 minutes before I actually start to work. I mean officially work at 9 o'clock. So let's grab some karak tea. This is the view while I was walking right now. I'm going into the next compound. I finally arrived here, the store where I ordered karak tea. He's not here right now. Oh, he's there. Hi, Mujib. Aliko. How are you today? Can I have 2 big karak?